The Realme 10 Pro Plus is a mid-range smartphone that offers a blend of modern design, robust performance, and a vibrant display. Here's an overview of its key features, advantages, and areas where it could improve. The Realme 10 Pro Plus showcases a sleek and modern design, highlighted by its curved 6.7-inch AMOLED display with minimal bezels, offering an immersive viewing experience. The front is protected by 0.65mm double-reinforced glass, enhancing durability. The back panel, crafted from plastic, features a gradient finish with millions of glittering particles, creating a dynamic visual effect that shifts colors under different lighting conditions. Despite its premium appearance, the device lacks official ingress protection, which may be a consideration for some users. The Realme 10 Pro Plus features an impressive 6.7-inch AMOLED display with the following highlights: Full HD plus 4 sharp and vibrant visuals. 120 Hz, providing smooth scrolling and responsive gaming. Premium design with slim bezels and a sleek curved display. Up to 800 nits peak brightness for clear outdoor visibility. Supports 1.07 billion colors and HDR10+4 rich, vibrant images. The display offers smooth performance for gaming, multimedia, and daily usage, making it a standout feature in its price segment. The curved design also enhances aesthetics and usability. The Realme 10 Pro Plus is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset, offering a balanced performance suitable for daily tasks and moderate gaming. MediaTek Dimensity 1080, built on a 6nm process, featuring an octa-core CPU with 2 Cortex-A78 cores clocked at 2.6 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 cores at 2.0 GHz, Mali G68MC4, providing adequate graphics performance for most applications and games. The Realme 10 Pro Plus features a versatile camera setup aimed at providing good photography and videography performance in its price range. Here's an overview: 108MP main sensor with f/1.75 aperture. Features AI enhancements for detailed and vibrant shots. 8MP ultra-wide sensor with a 112 degrees field of view. Decent for wide shots, though details may be softer compared to the main sensor. 2MP macro sensor for close-up shots. Limited practical use due to lower resolution and fixed focus. 16MP selfie sensor with AI beautification. Good performance in well-lit conditions but struggles slightly in low light. Available in configurations up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for apps and media. The Realme 10 Pro Plus features a 5000 mAh battery, which provides solid endurance for daily usage. Here's an overview of its battery performance. Offers a full day of moderate to heavy use, including gaming, video playback, and multitasking. Equipped with 67W fast charging, it can charge the battery from 0% to 100% in approximately 45 to 50 minutes. Pros: the curved design and lightweight build make it comfortable to hold and visually appealing. The AMOLED display with a high refresh rate ensures a vibrant and smooth viewing experience. Long battery life with efficient power management caters to users seeking longevity. Cons: while the main camera is competent, the ultra-wide and macro lenses underperform compared to competitors, and there's some highlight clipping in bright conditions. The device lacks water resistance and wireless charging, features that are becoming standard in this segment. Notably, it omits a headphone jack and microSD card slot, which may be a drawback for some users. Conclusion: the Realme 10 Pro Plus stands out with its modern design, impressive display, and solid battery life, making it a compelling choice for users seeking a mid-range smartphone with premium aesthetics. However, potential buyers should consider the limitations in camera performance and the absence of certain features